Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get 80 Robux in Roblox PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This option is perfect if you only want a small amount of Robux and don't want to purchase one of the larger packages. First, open Roblox on your PC and click the Robux icon in the top right corner, then select Buy Robux. You may notice that the 80 Robux option does not appear there. If that happens, you'll need to use the Microsoft Store method instead. Go to the search bar on your computer, type Microsoft Store, and open it. At the top of the store, search for Roblox, find the official Roblox app, and download it. Once the download is complete, open the app and log in to your Roblox account. After logging in through the Roblox app, click the Robux icon again in the top right corner. Scroll down, and you should now see the option to purchase 80 Robux. Keep in mind that the price may vary depending on your region and currency. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get 80 Robux in Roblox PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.